To convert your favorite website into an app in Windows 11, follow these steps. First of all, open the Microsoft Edge web browser. Now go to your favorite website. Once the website is open, then click on these three dots in the right upper corner. Click here, and now from these options, put your cursor over apps. Now from these two options, click here, install this site as an app. Then give a proper name for your application. And then click install. Okay, now you have done it. Now this pop-up window will appear. You can allow from here this app to pin to your taskbar or start menu, or create a desktop shortcut. Put check mark towards what you want and then click allow. I had created a desktop icon. You can just click on this icon to access your favorite website with a single click. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by itech Tips.